Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the Google Chrome error called ERR QUIC protocol error. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the address bar at the top. Type chrome://flags and press Enter. This opens the Chrome Experiments page. At the top, you will see a search box. Type QUIC into that box. Look for an option called Experimental QUIC Protocol. Next to it, click the menu and choose Disabled. After that, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Click the Relaunch button and wait for Chrome to restart. If the error still shows up, the next step is to clear your browser data. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time as the time range. Check Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. Restart Chrome again. You can also try disabling extensions. Go to Extensions and turn them off one by one to see if one of them is causing the issue. If nothing works, try opening the site in incognito mode or resetting Chrome settings to default. This should fix the protocol error in most cases. Thanks for watching.